Hello and welcome to Tech Hubside. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 best survey sites for money 2021. So, if you're looking to make an extra $100 per month, taking surveys could be a good option in making money online. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, number one on our list is we're going to type on my browser here www.swagbucks.com. Swagbucks.com. Just a moment. Swagbucks.com. So we're going to click and open this. Just a moment. As you can see, put cash back in your wallet. So we're going to scroll up. As you can see, Swagbucks is one of the best survey sites that you can actually make money on answering some questions online, or taking surveys rather. So I won't be going into details or much details about them. I'm just going to show you the 5 best survey sites to make you money online. That is, during your free time you can actually take some questions, take some surveys. Yeah, if you check out, if you see one of the few things about Swagbucks here, you get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. Here's how: you earn some points and shop online, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn your points. Get free gift cards. Redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. So this is how much they've paid so far. We've paid our members over $568 million. So if you look closely here, these are some of the people that has actually got that has got some money from them. My most rewarding moment with Swagbucks is using the gift cards I earned to buy gift cards for my child's Christmas and February 2028. So these are some of the lessons. So number 2 on our list is, we're going to type here, or is cash. We're going to type So number 2 on our list is Cashcake, cashcake.com. I'm going to click and open this cashcake.com. Just a moment. So this is Cashcake. Cash is the greatest reward. We will deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you are already doing online. We answer surveys, we find great deals, watch videos, solve the web. Get started now, get paid directly to your PayPal. We'll deposit your earnings into your PayPal account. Our platform is free, we'll never charge you for anything, and we'll always ask your consent before depositing funds. So Cashcake is one of the best service sites out there. They pay you, you get your money directly to your PayPal account, and it's completely free. You don't have to pay a penny to sign up. So you can say these are some of the things you're going to do. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Find and complete your mission. Watch the earnings grow in your account. Cash out early, easily, and often. And often, rather. And often, how does it work? Companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers like you and to get your feedback. In fact, your opinions are so valuable, they will even pay you for them. All you need is a few minutes and an internet connection, and we'll take care of the rest. So if you're looking forward to making money online during your free time or your leisure time, then I think you should consider Cashcake. So without further ado, let's jump right into number 3 best apps to make money online. So number 3 on our list is, I'm going to type in zapsurvey.com. So www. Just a moment, zapsurvey.com. zapsurveys.com. So we're going to open this. So this is if you're considering making some extra bucks to your wallet, then Zap Surveys is one of the best out there. You can actually try. So all you need to do is download their app. Download Zap Survey apps here. You can actually check it on your iOS or your Google Play Store to download the app. So one of the best thing about Zap Surveys is you earn 6.25 US dollars now on your first survey. So imagine between amongst the two or between the two site I've actually shown you, you don't get paid such huge amount, but as you can see, Zap Survey gives you $6.25 on your first survey. So whichever way you're signing up from or you're taking this survey from, on your first survey you're getting paid $6 just within few minutes of your time. So I think this is one of the best, and you should actually or really consider signing up for this. So without further ado, let's jump right into our fourth survey sites that can make you money. So on our first survey site, we have the Vindel. So we're going to type www.vindelresearch.com. It's here, vindelresearch.com. So we're going to open it here. It appears on our first search here. Just a moment. Will this be my internet? Oh, good. Get paid to take surveys online. Vindel is a secure, reliable, and free survey site for anyone who wants to earn money online. So as you can see here, you get started for free. I mean, you sign up completely free. You don't have to pay a penny to actually make money online, and you get paid directly into your PayPal account. Or as you can see, you easy online surveys, hundreds of paid surveys added daily, millions paid already. PayPal, real money. Get paid cash, not point via your PayPal account. Any device, take surveys at home or on the go. So as you can see, Vindel Research is also one of the best apps there to make you money online. So if you're looking to make money online during your free time, so as you can see, once you sign up with Vindel.com, you sign up, you earn $1 for just signing up to this site. Even without taking any surveys yet, just by signing up, you get to earn $1. So I think this is really a great or welcome development. So as you can see, it's also free. You don't have to pay anything before or for signing up. So join Vindel Research today and start earning cash for taking surveys online. Earn cash, not points. Full service support. High paying surveys, get up to $50 per survey, free, always 100% free. So all you need to do now, you sign up to this site to earn your welcome bonus or your sign up bonus of $1. So now this leads us to our fifth website, or first our fifth site to earn you money taking survey online. So now we're going to type www.pricerebel.com. So you can see this is Price Rebel. This is our fifth website. So this is sign up in 10 seconds, make money online now, complete paid online surveys, earn points, and redeem for cash and gift card. So this is how you get paid. You get paid through PayPal, Amazon gift card, Visa, Stream, eBay. So all you need to do is start today. It's free. As you can see, you're not there. Once you input your first name here and your last name, then your email address, you choose a password, and which are completely, signing up to pricerebel.com is completely free. You don't have to pay a penny to sign up, and once you're done signing up, you start making money immediately.